Welcome back to the channel, guys. This is a very long overdue video. It's been like a month since I posted. Now the reason for that is because in Malaysia we are back in lockdown and I didn't want to bore you with a video of me crying about it, which I have been doing loads of because I just want to do stuff. But anyway guys, so we are back in lockdown and I wanted to upload something, so I've put together like a little video. I thought this one here, basically just telling you the reasons. I do love living here in Malaysia. Now, I've lived here for 3 years now and I absolutely love it. It's close to where I love to visit, like Bali and Philippines and Thailand and Australia, although I've been to Australia once. Yeah guys, I absolutely love it here in Malaysia, and 2021, although it's been, the last year, 2020. The last sort of 12 months has been dreadful all over the world, but apart from the lockdowns, we've had a good time. We've done some cool stuff, we've travelled around, we've seen all of Malaysia, and I basically just wanted to show you some of the highlights of the year really, and why I love living here in Malaysia. Okay, the food's amazing, the people are amazing, the places around here are gorgeous, some beautiful islands, amazing cities, Kuala Lumpur, Langkawi, Penang, some amazing places, and we've still got more of it to visit as well. But guys, I hope you stick to the channel. Thanks to those that have subscribed, and thanks for those who've not unsubscribed. I know it's been a long time since my last video, and hopefully after lockdown we'll have more content to bring you. Guys, if you do enjoy seeing me, make sure you go on my Instagram, which is the same as this, Ollie.Odyssey, and I update my stories quite a lot on there as well. So guys, enjoy.
Laying in your bed, fighting ghosts in my head. Wish that I could let you go. Remember all we had. How could we get this bad? Where did we lose our glow? You live, you learn. When your heart is set to burn, fading away until the light. Someone bring me back to the time when our hearts unite. Bring me back to the time when our hearts unite.
thanks very much, guys. I hope you enjoyed that. Just wanted to put something up to the guys that are subscribed to the channel, because I know a few people have messaged me on Instagram to ask them when my next video is. So it's a bit of a highlight reel from sort of the last year. Guys, thanks so much. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you do that, because once we are out of lockdown, there's loads of content. I'm always up for doing some cool adventures. I'm always up for taking tips. People asking me, people telling me to do stuff, and I'll try and do it for you. Anyway, guys, thanks very much. Make sure you like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.